Hi, I'm John from Banana Baby, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Chicco Goody stroller. So let's get started. So what we have here is the Chicco Goody in the graphite color. It is also available in a lighter fabric color. So let's get started with the seating position. So this stroller is suitable from newborn to approximately 4 years old. So let's set it in the newborn position. Now, newborn position is where the seat would lie flat. So to do that, there's a trick at the back. So I'm just going to let it go all the way down. While it's all the way down, it's perfectly good for newborn. So their feet may be sticking like long. So basically the footrest would come up. So now we have a nice flat position for the child to sit on. As the child grows, you could have the footrest coming down. And then the backrest can go up a little bit. And then we can make it go fully up. So to make it go down again, you can go halfway. So the child can kind of sit half sleep and then again fully flat, half or fully upright position. Now the canopy, just note the canopy makes a noise, but that's deliberate. It's part of the Chicco design. Click, click is their design. So just listen. Okay, now when you do the first part, some people have said, oh, the wind could blow it, it's a bit soft. What you're supposed to do is to make it nice and tight. So to make it nice and tight, you just pull it down a bit. Now it's all really rigid, and regardless of the wind, it will just hold the position. The canopy could also be extended. So to do that, we're going to unzip this section. So you can see how the canopy's gone bigger. Again, to tighten the canopy, and that's it. So what you have is the fabric nice and firm, and it holds in position really nicely. Now as your child grows, they would like to step on this step and then climb in themselves. Rather than them jumping over the bumper bar, they can climb in and out with the bumper bar out of the position. Or you can take the bumper bar out completely if you want. Now the folding is quite interesting. We can actually fold with the seat in any position, whether it's upright position or flat position, because there are some strollers out there where you have to have the seat in a certain angle position before you can fold. So let me just leave this in this position and leave the seat in the upright position. Let me show you how to fold it. So look, to fold, there is 2 triggers to make it happen. So there's a little button at the top and a button on the side here. So I'm just going to do it with 2 hands at the moment to show you. And that's folded. And it's nice and light, easy to handle. You can just throw this in any boot. It's nice and compact. Now to open it, without bending my back, I just lift it up. Oops, sorry. Let me do that again. So nice and easy. That opens it. Now let's do it in one hand mode. So again, as I said, the seat can be in any position. So I'm going to have it in a fully flat position. This is one hand folding. So now it's folded, one hand opening. Done. So the Chicco Goody stroller is now available at Banana Baby.